Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and today we will be learning how to create highlights on Facebook. First step is to open your Facebook app and go to this three horizontal line at the right menu. Click on your profile and click on this three dots under your profile. So here you will find this option called archive. Click on it. After you're in the archive, click on Story Archive. Now, go to the story that you want to archive. Now here at the bottom right, you will find highlights. Click on it. You can add a title to it. You can also add more to this particular highlight. Search for more in your stories and click on next. So now you have this highlight created here. Click on save and you have just created a highlight in your profile. So go to your profile and you will find the highlight that you created. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.